Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube video. Today we're gonna talk about how to play and download Genesis War right on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. As you can see, now I can easily install this game right on my PC. So how to do it? To play this mobile game on your PC, you firstly have to install an Android emulator on your PC, for example LD Player as me, or BlueStacks or another one. So to download it, just go to browser and type in the search box the name of the necessary Android emulator, go to their official website and just find the download button right here. After the installation, you will find this icon on your desktop, so just double click on it and launch. And then you will see this window. So then click on apps folder, find here Play Store, open it up, of course log in to your account, and then click on the search box at the very top. Now type here the name of the necessary game, for example Genesis War. Okay, there is the install button. So of course click on it and download this game on your Android emulator. And after the installation, you'll be able to run this game. Once the installation is complete, click on the play button right here. And finally, you can play the mobile game Genesis War right on your PC. And here is the result of this video. I think it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the How to PC channel and like this video. And of course, write your comments. Bye bye.